All right, example 2, simplify the expression. Remember, like terms must have the same variable and raised to the same exponent. All right, step 1, I'm going to separate my terms. So I'm going to go through, and every time I see a plus sign or a minus sign, I'm going to draw a line. So I see a plus sign there, I draw a line in front. A minus sign here, I draw a line in front. Plus sign there, I draw a line in front. Plus sign here, I draw a line in front. All right, and then I'm going to circle my first term to find if I have any like terms that are like that. So it has to have the same variable and the same exponent. So this one has an x and a 2 as an exponent. So I'm going to look through and see if I have any x2s. Well, this one has an x but no exponent, so that can't be it. This one doesn't have an x, but this one has an x squared, right? An x and a 2 as an exponent. So these two are like terms. So these two I can combine. It would be 3x squared plus 4x squared. And then 3 plus 4 is 7, and then x squared just stays with it. Now I'm done with these two terms. So now I'm going to go to my next term, and I see I have this 6x. So I'm going to look, do I have any numbers with an x next to it? Well, here's -7, but no x. Here's 5x. So that would work. So I can combine these two. I have a 6x plus 5x. 6 plus 5 is 11x. And I got that plus because there's a plus sign in front of that 5. Alright, so that gave me a positive 11x. So whenever it's a positive, you put a plus sign in front. Now I'm done with these two terms. Alright, so now I'm going to keep going. Do I have anything else? Well, I have this -7 here. Do I have anything to combine it with? I don't. So that I can just bring down into my problem. And now this is my final answer. I can't simplify it anymore because I cannot combine these like terms because none of them have the same variable with the same exponent. Alright, let's try one more. The second one. So I'm going to draw and separate my terms. Draw my line, separate my terms. Alright, then I'm going to circle my first term. 2x squared. Do I have another 2x squared or another x squared? I do, right here. So I can combine those two, right? So 2x squared minus 11x squared. And I got that minus because there's a minus sign in front of that 11. 2 minus 11 is -9. And that x squared stays with it. And I'm done with these two terms. So then I go to my next term, 5x. Do I have any other x's? I do, a plus 5x. So that means I can combine these two right here. 5x plus 5x. 5 plus 5 gives me 10. So this would be 10x. And I'm done with these two terms. Then I go to my next term, and I see I have a -12. Do I have any other just numbers? I do, right next to it. I have a plus 9. So -12 plus 9. -12 plus 9 is -3. Alright? And that's my final answer. I can't simplify it anymore. I combined all of my like terms.